StBotanica Moroccan Argan Hair Oil is best Moroccan Argan Hair Oil for hair care. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. StBotanica Moroccan Argan Hair Growth Oil comes with the goodness of natural and pure oils. The oil is formulated from pure essential carrier and herbal oils. StBotanica Moroccan Argan Hair Growth Oil is the one-stop solution for your all too common hair health issues. Now's the time for beautifully restored and completely nourished hair. Improve the quality, texture and strength of your hair with the StBotanica Moroccan Argan Hair Growth Oil. StBotanica Moroccan Argan Hair Oil is best Moroccan Argan Hair Oil for hair care. It has natural ingredients, no SLS, no parabens, no sulfates, no harmful chemicals, no colors. Recommended for both men and women. Leaves hair naturally smooth, silky and healthy, while repairing dry, frizzy, and brittle hair. Massage into scalp to help with hair loss and to promote growth. Run through ends before applying heat to protect from damage. Best Moroccan Argan Hair Oil has the great benefits of leaving the hair soft, silky and smooth. That oil will reflect the light, making your hair look super shiny. StBotanica Moroccan Argan Hair Oil is free from harmful and toxic chemicals and entirely safe for the skin. Use the best of natural ingredients in the formulations of these products to provide you with only the best. StBotanica is one of the premium brands to offer superior bioactive hair ingredients, which are safe for hair and give best results. Enriched with Moroccan argan oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, tea tree oil, amla, bhringraj, shikakai, brahmi, ashwagandha. Main benefits are detangles hair and protects it from damage. Helps to keep hair soft, shiny, and supple. Repairs dry, frizzy, and brittle hair. StBotanica Moroccan Argan Hair Growth Oil comes with the goodness of natural and pure oils. StBotanica Moroccan Argan Hair Growth Oil is the one-stop solution for your all too common hair health issues. Now's the time for beautifully restored and completely nourished hair. StBotanica Moroccan Argan Hair Oil is best Moroccan Argan Hair Oil for hair care. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like and share this video, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.